Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Valorant error called Incompatible Software Component Detected, Ene.sys. This issue usually happens because of RGB or motherboard lighting software, and the fix is actually pretty simple. Let's get right into it. First, open any folder on your PC. Go to your C drive. Open the Windows folder, then open System32. Next, open the Drivers folder. Once you're inside the Drivers folder, use the search bar at the top right and type Ene.sys. When Ene.sys appears in the results, right-click on it and select Rename. Now, add .old to the end of the file name so it looks like this, Ene.sys.old. Press Enter to save the change. After renaming the file, restart your PC and try launching Valorant again. Solution 2. If that didn't fix the issue, the next step is to uninstall any RGB or lighting control software installed on your system. This includes software like Corsair iCUE, RGB Fusion, Razer Synapse, or any other motherboard or RGB lighting tools. Once you uninstall those programs, restart your computer again. After rebooting, launch Valorant, and the error should now be fixed. That's it for this tutorial.